Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, my name is Trina Miller 100. So, today I'm going to show you the stuff that I got for Valentine's Day. So, I gotta give you guys a haul. So, check this out. So, here it is. Here is all of the stuff that I got for Valentine's Day. So, this is really cool. So, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So, first up, it is my favorite candy in the world, the Lenador chocolate with strawberries and cream. Look at that. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And it's a limited edition, so can't wait to eat it, all of these. And then next up, it is the Whipped Sequence Bear from Valentine's Day Plus. So look at this. It's whipped sequins. So this is for the body, this one's for the feet, and this one is for the ears. So it flips pink to grayish. So this is so cool. And also I really love this detail on the hearts here, and also rainbows, and also pretty nice sparkly pink eyes. So this is so cool. So yeah, this is really awesome bear. I really love it. My mom did a great job. And the next time my little sister just gave me this. Just give me this lollipop here. So this is really nice. Really cool. Really cool. So my big sister just gave me a lollipop after I gave my little sister the Valentine's Day gift. So I did give her a gift. So my little sister just gave me a lollipop. So it's really cool. And then also this cupcake bag. Look at that. It has some fragrance, and of course the Reese's Pieces. So I'll take a look at these in a moment. So look at this detail on the cupcake bag. Look at that strawberry right there. Pretty nice cupcake frosting, and also the gorgeous finish on this thing right here. And then on the back it just says Bath and Body Works, and yes, I shop there all the time. So yeah, I can put anything I want in here. So this is really cool. So anyway, my mom just gave me a Reese's Pieces in a heart shape. So my favorites Reese's. And then also this right here, the strawberry pound cake fine fragrance mist. They're from Bath and Body Works. So it does smell like strawberry pound cake. So yeah, it's really cool. Can't wait to smell these. So I've already did smell it, and it tastes beautiful. And then finally the strawberry pound cake fragrance mist. You guys can see it. Look at this. I've already sprayed it, and it looks wonderful. So I have more things I want to show you. I have 2 more things. So this is part of the Valentine's gift. So yeah, I want to show you. So this is Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury for the Nintendo Switch. I've already opened up, and I've already started playing it. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm on watch it already, but I will probably to go ahead and get started on Bowser's Fury also. So it came packaged together. So yeah, this does celebrate the 35th anniversary of Super Mario Bros. Series. So yeah, I've already got started with Super Mario 3D World, but I will get started on Bowser's Fury. So yeah, this is really cool, really fun, and going to try out Bowser's Fury. But I'm in World 2 on Super Mario 3D World, so this is really cool. And also, one more thing to show you, check this out. So I got the replacement Joy-Cons from Mercari. So my original ones are kind of drift up. So I've decided to get a replacement Joy-Cons. They're probably early Valentine's Day gift, but it's probably a Valentine's Day gift. So I got this neon green. I put it together in a case, and I've already paired it, and I put the thumb grips on it. So yeah. But anyway, this is neon pink and neon green. So yeah, I finally got it replaced. So yeah. So my original neon pink and neon green Joy-Cons, they're all drift up. So my mom did help me get a replacement Joy-Cons. So yeah. So this is from Mercari. So yeah. But it was original from Walmart. So I got this replacement one from Mercari. So yeah. If I got it, I'm still playing this, and it works great. So here it is. This is my Valentine's Day gift haul. So I was going to show you the Joy-Con strap, but I've already showed you guys, but they're the same one. So yeah. But anyway, that's it. That is the Valentine's Day gift haul. So yeah. What do you guys think of my Valentine's Day stuff? Just let me know in the comments down below. Or what should you guys get for Valentine's Day? Just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So make sure to hit subscribe for more vlogs, more content, more gaming videos, all that stuff. So yeah, but if you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click on tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Aim Slate. Also, check out Treatment Wonder Games channel and Bear Camp 17 channel. Until next time, peace and happy Valentine's Day.